Hi, I'm Nancy Walsh, and so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,500 square foot home. So coming inside, I'd love to share it with you. All right, come on inside. It opens right into the foyer area. Great open living space. At least 3 or 4 bar stools across the front. This is called our timeless collection that we have in this home, where it has the white herringbone pattern with the silver handles, soft close cabinets, but not soft close drawers. Again, a corner pantry. Here we have access to the 2-car garage and the laundry room. We have an extra spacious guest bathroom and 2 more bedrooms, pretty much the same size, mirror each other. Linen closet here. Oh, and I forgot to add, there is another linen closet in the secondary bathroom right here. Lots of storage. Great use of space in this home. All right, let's look at the primary. All right, let me scoot out of the way. Walk-in shower, double sinks. And guess what? Another linen closet. And a walk-in closet. All right, another great thing about this home is it has a double extended covered porch. Great yard space. You can always put up a privacy fence if you like. And then our light out here on the covered porch and the bedrooms and the family room, they're all pre-wired to add a ceiling fan later after closing. That sums up my tour of the Greenwood. If this home interests you, give me a call, send me a text. I'm always available to help you buy or build your home here at T Farm. Thank you for watching. I'm Nancy Walsh.